Namaste students, I am Madhu Chaudhary and I welcome you all in my 10th class economics. The name of my chapter is Sectors of Indian Economy and this is the third part of this video. In our previous video, we have already studied about the revolution of different sectors in Indian economy, and there we saw the tertiary sector was increasing if the production was increasing. Okay. In this video, we have to study about the rising importance of tertiary sector in production and why is the tertiary sector becoming so important in India. So let's start. As you all know very well that over 30 years between, that is 1973 to 2003, production in the tertiary sector has increased the most, and it has emerged as the largest producing sector in India, that replacing the primary sector also. Okay, so we can say that in the revolutionary slide, okay, that we have already seen that earlier the primary sector contribute in the Indian economy the most, but now it's tertiary sector. Okay, now the question is that why is the tertiary sector becoming so important in India? If we talk about this importance, then we have so many various reasons are there, like in any country several services such as hospital, okay, educational institution, post office, police stations, court, defense, then transport, bank, all these things are required. These can be considered as basic services. In a developing country, the government has to take responsibility for the provision of these services. Okay, and we have already read in our previous slides that the independence of the sectors, that is primary sector and tertiary sector. So on that basis we can say that the development of agriculture and industry leads to the development of services such as transport, trade, storage and all these things. Okay, it means more the agriculture production, the more transport is there. So we can say that greater the development of the primary and secondary sectors, more would we have demand for that services. Now here the question is, where are the most of the people employed and why? There is a difference between two concepts here, students. First is that from where we getting the largest production. That is, we have already read in our previous videos, and here where we have discussed that tertiary sectors plays an important role in our Indian economy. But here the question is, where are the most of the people employed? Okay, although the production we are getting, the highest production we are getting from service sector, but yet most of the peoples are employed in primary sector because not enough job is there in tertiary and secondary sector. Clear? As a general awareness, you all know very well that the secondary sector is not so much developed in India. So still I can say that, or still we can say that mostly people are employed in primary sector only. I hope students it's clear to you. Thank you.